Hello friends, welcome to Diversey's 2-Minute Drill. My name is Larry Singley and today's topic is going to be on grout and specifically on restroom grout. How to whiten, brighten, and seal this grout. A couple of characteristics about this substrate. Number one, it's relatively soft like concrete. Number two, and most importantly, it's very porous. It's very absorbent, so it will absolutely absorb odors and dirt load and rather quickly. So we have three methods for you. The first one is over a given period of time, maybe 2 to 4 weeks with daily application, maybe some agitation, and that is with like a Diversey per diem or a Diversey alpha HP type of product. It has accelerated hydrogen peroxide in it, and that additive will whiten and brighten the grout over 2, 3, 4 week period. The other two methods we have is rather immediate, or they are rather immediate. One of them is with Diversey's Tile and Grout Rejuvenator. This does have a bleach additive. It does come ready to use. So it's primarily for some of your smaller restrooms, smaller spaces. You're going to wet the floor. You're going to apply the product. You're going to use a medium tinseled nylon brush with some agitation, auto scrubber, even elbow grease. Come back with a quick rinse, and you're going to see immediate results. The third method is with a swing machine with a medium tinseled nylon brush. You're going to use a Diversey Johncrete Restore. It comes ready to use, so it's straight. You're going to apply it to the floor just like you would as if you were stripping the floor, and you're going to agitate the floor. And once that's done, you want to pick up the slurry. You want to give a quick rinse. Now here's the key. Once that's done, you have to seal the grout. If you don't, you're going to get dirt reload and odor reload, specifically with uric acid, and it's going to be rather quickly. So what you want to do is use something like a Johncrete Impermo. It's a impregnating, penetrating sealer, and it's going to stop that from happening, and I think you'll be very pleased with the results. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your local Diversey rep or our technical customer support. And we thank you. Look forward to seeing you next time on Diversey's 2-Minute Drill.